my December vlog. I'm actually fooling you guys because I am going through a lot right now. I'm going out and I forgot to bring my setting spray. I don't have a setting spray with me, and I can't do without, like, I can't do my makeup without having a setting spray. I really don't know what to do. I don't know if I have to like run to the supermarket or something to get a setting spray. So like but anyways, yeah, welcome to my December vlog. Yay! So let me just give you guys the tea for today. So like, I am preparing to go for dinner at Nowhere Lagos with my friends. So like, we're just getting ready. Stay tuned for this vlog, you get me, because it's gonna be lit, I guess. Okay guys, I am done. Wait, I think this needs to be like set well. I think you guys should like see my outfit. Corsets, silk skirts, and my bag. Let me show you guys my shoe. This is my this is my shoe. My heels are from Zara, so yay.
Hi guys, Jesus, why do I look this beautiful? Shut me.
You ain't wearing your heels, don't worry, you'll be the same height.
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, now they calling me Cassius. Rhymes like Bob Saget, greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, in my space, speak freely.
You're welcome.
Guys,
guess who I saw? Kochi! Why cover your face? Hi guys, so I'm going for brunch today with my friends. I mean my secondary school friends. Like, I haven't seen them in a while, you guys, and I'm excited to see them. So let's go. This is my outfit, this is my bag, and yay. Bye guys. Hey, oh yeah, wait, say it.
Hi guys, subscribe to Pearl's YouTube channel.
Yes, Lisa, what do you have to say?
Subscribe to Pearl's YouTube channel.
Yes, Maria, what do you have to say?
Like and subscribe to Pearl's YouTube channel.
Yes. What did you get? Oh my god, you guys, my friends are literally so cute. Like, they brought a lot of gifts.
Hi guys, this is Precious. Yay!
Cinderella.
Hey, come on.
Guys, so it's maintenance day. Yay. So I already packed my bags, everything that I need. I'm doing every single thing today: my nails, my lashes, my hair. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but you know, God is with me, and that's why I am up so early, because I have to do everything today. Okay, so let's go.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. From this thing I can make.
Are you It's freaking 8 p.m. and guess when I left my house? Sorry, 8 a.m. Guys, it's freaking 8 a.m.
I hate you so much.
And guess what? I've not gotten to my house. I'm usually in my friend's house. So let me just give you guys a summary of how. Okay, yesterday went because it's already the next day. You get
Exactly.
what?
If you laugh, I'll pull out your back pocket.
I'm talking for my YouTube. Okay, guys. So like I said, it's 8 a.m. Let me give you a summary of how yesterday went. So, like you guys, I've been down. Let me just start with this. I've been down. Actually, I was having mad cramps. That was the reason why I was like down. But miraculously, my cramps stopped like yesterday, like in the evening, and I was like, nah, I need to go out because I meant to have gone out since, but I didn't go out based on like my cramps and all. So I called my friend. I was like, let's go out. Actually, that's when I was like, yesterday was literally Sunday. Yes, I already had like 5 locations. I already had 5 locations, but hands and everything. But anyways, in the evening, I called my friend. We went out. Then I think we're walking like a race.
I came all the way here for that rubbish line. Yeah, it's not polished well.
Lo and behold, I was like, nah, I need to see my friend. Amaka. Then I came to her side. I'm literally still in Amaka's house. I didn't end up going to the second. Actually, your house was the second location. So I didn't end up going to the third location, the rave I was meant to go for. And I'm here. I've been talking since. And this is literally 8 a.m. And I'm waiting for my ride. I haven't found a ride yet. Hey guys, guess how much Uber is telling me to pay? Are they crazy? Like they're freaking crazy. My god, guys, I look like my problem. What the fuck? What time is this? This is like 7. So we're going to Milk and Honey because you guys have been craving their milkshake. Honestly, I don't know why I'm so hungry this morning. I honestly don't know. So yeah. Hi guys, so we are going to the club today. This is Naya and this is Vanessa, so we're gonna have a good time. Yeah, let's go.
shit. That ain't your bitch, that's the bitch. You don't like it, you can suck the dick. I just hopped off from the DJ from the end to occasion. Got a fetish for the money, yes, sir. If you thick, then I wanna pay her. 3 more naira, do I need you? I'm outside with the tribe. Gang activity outside. Please believe I done seen the other side. Remember, oh, yeah.
Another day, another slay. Yay. You guys, I don't even know why I'm even happy, because yo, I'm actually sick. Like, I have mad cold. My sister had to like force me to stand up from my bed because I promised her that we were going out. So I had to convince her that let's just go to Brisk, because I don't think I can really do anything. I just want to really go and eat. Let's just go out to eat. But anyways, yeah. Oh, I'm literally looking at my outfit and like I'm obsessed. But I'm not really feeling this makeup for real. Like, this is like my rush makeup. I'm not really feeling it, but anyways, yeah. Hi guys. I just had the spiciest pasta ever. Alright, you take it. Okay. Okay guys, so I came out to talk to you all. You guys, inside was like really cold. Like, I had to come out because maybe at that point I could have fainted because the cold was like a lot. So yeah, I was talking about the pasta. That was like the perfect food for me to eat. I told them to make it so spicy and they did. To be honest, I feel that was like the best food I could eat for my cold, and yeah, I'm satisfied and I'm happy. Yeah, right now I'm waiting for a ride because me and my sister, we are going to Fresa, I don't know, to get this strawberry matcha. I don't know, that's what they call it for. Like, we've been seeing it on TikTok, so it's not far from here. Yeah, that's it. Hey guys, I think I'm actually like really falling sick, and I feel it's going to be bad if I don't get it treated. I don't want to be sick on New Year. Like, I don't want to be sick January 1st, please. I don't want to spend my time on the bed, so I need to like get this cold treated. Okay? I just realized that the strawberry cup is sold out. Kind of pissed. Somebody took like the last cup, and I don't know, I'm just sad. So I think it's time for me to get home, to go home. Yes. Okay, let me just show you guys first. Let me show you guys. It's like here. So cute. Guys, I also just realized that the Padu house is here. I've been thinking of like coming. Maybe later this week I'm actually going to come. Let me show you guys. Hold on. So this is the Padu house. It's here. Hi guys. Hi. Happy New Year, I guess. I'm going out right now. Okay, let me bring my bag. Okay. So I'm going out right now with my family. We're going for like a New Year party at my family friend's house. I think last year we did that, so we're doing that this year again. And yeah, it's a good thing because I don't have to cook today. You get me? I am not really feeling this hair. Like, what do you all think about this hair? I'm not really feeling it. Maybe I should just let the hair marinate. My mom is literally even waiting for me in the car, and I'm talking to you guys. So I have to go now. Bye guys, love you. You see, I just said that. I'm coming. Bye.
You can't even sit in peace.